To verify your address, start by opening the TapTap Send app, where you will find the Address Verification option. Click on this, then select the Upload Document button. You will be prompted to provide proof of address, which can be done by uploading a relevant document, such as a bank receipt statement. Once you have chosen your document, click the Continue to Upload button at the bottom of the page. Next, you will need to take a photo of your proof of address or upload one you already have. Ensure the photo is complete, clear, and visible. Then select the It looks good option. After this, click the Next button at the bottom of the page. Upon completing these steps, you will see a screen indicating that your document is under review. The review process typically takes 2 to 5 days, after which you will receive an email confirming whether your address has been verified or not. Once you receive this notification, you can proceed by clicking the Continue button, thus completing the address verification process.